Buckle up. Britain's most secretive spy agency has just gone digital, and it's recruiting the next generation of James Bonds, but online. MI6, the UK's legendary intelligence service, has launched Silent Courier, a slick, super secure portal on the dark web. Yes, that part of the internet usually swirling with cyber criminals and cat videos in Russian. Now, instead of shadowy meetings in foggy London parks, would be secret agents from Moscow to Mumbai, Tehran to Tokyo can send their hottest tips and wildest intelligence straight to MI6 with just a few encrypted clicks. It's Bond, but with a Tor browser and a VPN, not tuxedos and martinis. And the agency isn't shy about it. Verified YouTube videos from MI6 explain exactly how to get started. So casual informants and serious whistleblowers alike won't mess up operational security. Forget your personal phone. Do not use cousin Nigel's laptop. And whatever you do not type spy resume in Comic Sans. Why the digital doors? As global threats multiply, MI6 wants to reach potential informants in super sensitive locations. Think Russia, Iran, and North Korea, where being spotted with a British agent could be, let's just say, a very bad day. The platform is a direct invitation. If you've got information on secret missile programs, terrorist plots, or Kremlin chess moves, MI6 is all ears. And now, all screens. Behind the scenes, MI6 swears it learned from the CIA's wild online adventures. Ultra clear instructions, emphasis on using anonymity tools, and caution against devices that might accidentally scream spy in your metadata. The goal? Keep sources safe, even from the most paranoid cyber cops. And in a twist worthy of Hollywood, MI6 is debuting their digital spytopia as outgoing chief Richard Moore hands over the reins to Blaise Machiavelli, the first woman to ever lead the iconic service. The gadgets are upgraded, the villains are online, and the hunt for globe-trotting intelligence is just a few clicks away. So, got world-shaking secrets? MI6 is actively waiting in encrypted inboxes. And just maybe, it's time to dust off those spy dreams and go dark web newbie to international mystery. Martini optional, but nerves of steel are highly recommended. With Dibangna Datta, Bureau Report, India Today Global.